If you track your spending in Google Sheets, then it's easy to see a breakdown by category within a date range, or even a breakdown by month. And you really just need two functions to pull this off. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your table of expenses into a detailed analysis like this. To start, you need your data in Google Sheets, and you need three specific columns: date, category, and amount. You can have other columns too, but you need these three for analysis. And to make it easy to write formulas, I highly encourage you to create and assign range names to each of these columns. Now, range names are just names that you assign to specific ranges in your spreadsheet. To create them, select the first range that you want to reference. Click in this box called the name box. Type in the name you want to use, and make sure there are no spaces because range names cannot have spaces, and press enter. Then select the next range that you want to reference, click in the name box, type in the name, and press enter. Then repeat this process one more time to assign a range name to the last column. Now, to check if your range names are correct, go to Data, Named Ranges. You can click on the names to see what they refer to, and you can edit them by clicking the pencil icon. Next, let's see how to calculate totals for each category. You need a space for the start date and an end date, then a space for the category list, and of course, the totals. You can also have a grand total at the bottom if you want. Now, to get a unique list of all the categories from your data, enter the unique function, enter the range name for the category column, press enter, and you have your categories. For the totals, start with the first one and enter the following formula. Equals SUMIFS function, amount range, next argument, category range, next argument, select the category, next argument, date range, next argument, quote greater than equals quote, ampersand, select the start date, make this an absolute reference, next argument, date range, next argument, quote, less than equals quote, ampersand, select the end date, make this an absolute reference, then close parentheses and press enter. And if you're not using range names, make sure that the amount range, category range, and date range references are all absolute references with dollar signs so that they don't change whenever you copy the formula down here in a minute. For the formula itself, here's how it works. The SUMIFS function adds together the numbers from the amount range, where the category matches the specific category here, and the date is on or after the start date, and on or before the end date. And of course, once the formula is working, use the fill handle to copy it down. Then you can just use the sum function to calculate the total on the bottom. And now, whenever you update the date range at the top, all totals update accordingly. Awesome. Now, before we look at how to calculate the monthly totals, if you'd like to work with me and get my help mastering Sheets to totally streamline your life and business, then check out the link I left for you in the description. Moving on, let's see how to calculate those monthly totals. At the top, you need a space to pick a category. Below, a list of months and a column for the totals. And once you have those things, we'll start with calculating the monthly total without considering the category. Start at the top and enter the formula equals SUMIFS function, amount range, next argument, array formula function, text function, date range, next argument, quote, quote, close parentheses, next argument, select the month, close parentheses, and press enter. Now, to understand this formula, I need to explain this part of the formula first. The text function takes the dates from the date range and transforms them into the month name of the month that each date falls under. That's what the four M's tell the text function to do. So it turns January 5th into January. It turns February 12th into February, etc. Now, the text function is only designed to work with one value at a time, not an entire range, which is why you need the array formula function. It forces the text function to work on the entire date range at once. And now that you know what this part of the formula does, here's how the whole thing works. The SUMIFS function adds the amount numbers where the date is transformed into the same month that we've referenced here in this last argument. As a result, you get the total for that month. And if you copy the formula down, you get all the monthly totals. But what about the selected category on top? Well, to consider this value, we need to change the formula. Start by selecting the SUMIFS function inside the formula we have now and copy. Then delete the whole thing and enter the following. Equals, if function, select the category, make it an absolute reference, equals, quote, quote, next argument, paste in the SUMIFS function that we copied, next argument, then use Alt-Enter to start a new line if you want, then paste in the SUMIFS function again. And now we're going to add to this second one. So inside this second SUMIFS function, add another argument, category range, next argument, select the chosen category, make it an absolute reference, close parentheses twice, press enter, then copy the formula down. So now, how does this formula work? First, the if function checks to see if the cell with the selected category is blank. If it is, meaning no category has been chosen, then the first SUMIFS function we have here calculates and gives us the monthly total. However, if the category cell is not blank, then the second SUMIFS function calculates. It adds the amount values where the date matches the month and where the category matches the chosen category above. And now, if you change the category, you can see how all the totals update automatically. How awesome is that? I'd say pretty awesome. Plus, if you want to learn how to also analyze your income, then totally check out this video next where I break down a really cool process that's just as easy to follow.